Hole in one, bitch. Fuck you. Ugh.
Ooh, motherfucker.
You fucking piece of crap.
What's up?
What's up, brother? Oh, the fucking jellyfish.
Oh, that fucking bounce.
Let's go. Okay, that's good. We're even, Steven.
Yeah. I don't know how I actually managed to hit that.
Yeah. Oh, fucking rim job. Fucking on the edge. Like, what the fuck?
Job?
Yeah, on the edge, you know? I was just on the edge.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, that's still too hard. That's not hard enough.
Wow.
It's like I'm trying to penetrate and like you either like break the girl or like it can't get in, you know?
Yeah.
Or guy, you know? Or whatever. Yep. Or
True.
squirrel, you know?
Fair enough. Squirrel. I'd say about just over 2 bars of power. Oh no.
I think that was 2 bars. Okay, let's try 2.5.
That's probably.
I swear to. Okay, thank you. 2.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Fuck. This is pathetic. I'm on 18. And we're
How many shots do you have per round?
unlimited. Oh, you know.
Old and brag.
Yeah, but how?
Like your mom.
Oh, dear.
Whoa. Leave that type of talk for hole 3. 2, 3. Damn.
Oh, my man. See, I made a gay joke, but still confirmed that I'm still straight.
When you put it like that, I doubt you now.
Holy shit. This is a fucking D-Day.
Storming the beaches, you know? What?
Oh, you're still in the lead somehow.
Yeah, I'm retarded.
Well,
Where the fuck is it?
You're in the lead, yeah.
How do you do the C? How do you do the C thing? Wait,
oops.
where the fuck is the goal? Where am I supposed to go?
You need to go around the right. Yeah,
Fuck
basically
you.
that way.
Fuck you, dolphin. Fuck your whale. Fuck your sheep.
Go up
How do you?
and
Fuck. Going through the list of the fucking animal kingdom.
Oh. No! Wait.
I like that one. No
still
one really uses
think-
that one.
one of my favorite movies ever is, as I said, Finger Body.
Finger boy? Fingering
Finger
boys?
Body.
Fingering boy.
Finger Boys 9.
It's basically the name of the town. Finger Body.
Where are we going?
You go under.
Under where?
Whoa. You have to buy me some fucking lunch.
Underpants?
Like under the platform we started at.
Kom igen!
Men
Oh,
för
that's
fan.
I hate this fucking game.
Yes, men för fan! Damn it! I mean, men för fan!
I'm gonna go take a piss real fast.
Okay.
No.
Do it slow, yeah.
Do it slow.
Keep your mic on. Damn, you frying
Let-
fish in there?
Let us hear the
Make
big
sure you-
big boy PP.
Yeah.
Hey, hur mår
Oh, it's not
du?
shit, it's just
Hey, må du?
Exactly!
ha det bra. Ses på hotellet sen.
Hoppas du får pengar som du... Vänta.
Jag talar lite svenska. Talar engelska? And then I'll have like a smile with a thumbs up. That's all you need, man.
That's true. That's true.
Fair.
Oh,
Fucking
there's a
root.
between the gorilla.
I'll give you a gorilla.
Hey, Harambe, help me. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Oh, this fucking ass.
I used to play
No, you didn't.
PGA.
I don't know why I said that.
Whoa, buddy, you're a little
Oh, this song! Holy shit! PGA Tour Golf 2.
Ew, PGA Golf.
Sometimes I get this. Yeah, like fuck your, like your friend's mom. Bad and good in the same way.
Your friends have moms.
your moms have friends.
Your mom has friends.
True.
Birdie for once. Hooey.
Dude, it's been a while since we were this stupid in a voice call.
Me too.
That was so good a while ago.
Oh, the fucking magic one? Or
No,
which
me
one?
too.
Shut the fuck up. What the why do I play this game? I should have just played Rocket League.
Ooh, nice bounce.
Well,
You know-
do it then. Do it then, because I can't.
Exactly. You know, some of us aren't banned
Even
for
I
being
can.
toxic.
I mean, I'd probably be the most toxic player of that game, and I still have.
No, you wouldn't.
That's-
There's people who like
You have to be
vendors-
good. You have to be good to be toxic.
No, you don't. Oh,
Good
yeah.
job, Abner. But I got turned back to the beginning, even if I was just where you were, Rollock.
Honestly, if I would have been slower, I would have gotten that thing too. Not even joking.
Slower, like in.
Oh god, I gotta get up on time today, whatever. I need to go buy a goose at the shop, one street up.
A goose.
A goose. What?
Yes, it's a porcelain goose.
I did an eagle.
Your mother's an eagle. A seagull. Ah!
your mom is an eagle. Love it.
Eagle, seagull. It's pronounced
Gull.
basically.
Do you wanna take a fika?
You can.
Do you want to build a fika? We can come out and drink coffee.
Jag har kanelbulle.
We can make fun of Danish people. No.
He's losing it. He's losing it.
You need to
What
put him
was
down.
it? Ja,
Give him a
jag tappade
lobotomy.
det.
This other guy I know, like he was streaming with his window open and he was like screaming, and then the next day his like 70-year-old neighbor asked him if he was watching cam girls all night.
What?
That's
Yeah.
probably the vamp.
Yeah. I was like tipping cam girls. God damn it.
Oh my god.
Well,